the entire bumper is coming up. And everyone, today we are going to see how to remove Kia EV6 front bumper. As you can see, we got some damage in the front. We ordered the parts and managed to do that. Now how to remove it? So let's do step number 1. You have to remove 4 screws, 10 mm screws like this. So it would look like this as you just open it up like that. Second stage is to remove this clip. This clip is like that. So make sure if you have a remover tool, you put here, not below it. If you put below it and pull it out, it will break it. And if you do like that, it will easily come out. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 pins over there. Now at the bottom, if you see, there are pins here, 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 here. Same way on the other side. And what kind of pins are there? Those are just clips like this one. You plug it in and pull it out. It's very easy. Now let's come to step number 2. So there will be 2 more pins like that. This one. So you put it in and pull it out. So remove these 2. Same way on the other side. Now why do we need to remove it? Because now coming to the third stage, you have clips like this. 1, 2, 3 clips and one 10 mm screw like this one over here. So you remove the same process on the other side, which is on the left side. After you remove it, you try to gently pull it out. There will be clips like this one, which are going to remove it, like this one. As you can see, you can easily pull it out. So make sure you carefully pull it out. Don't break it. Now coming to the stage here, this pin is inside here. What I would suggest is you take a flat head screw and try to push it so that this pin try to come down, and you detach it like this way. This is the same way on the other side. I can show it here. What I did is to secure it, we put the masking tape to plug it in, and this is how it is inside. These are the clips. So this is a bit tricky as this is going to be below here. So we have to pull it out like that. So this is gonna be, and make sure you have all the pins secured. So I have secured it on the top. Now why do we need to remove this side trim? Because there is a screw here which is holding up the bumper. If you can see, it's a 10. You can take screw here the same way on the other side. So after this, we will try to push it out like this way and gently pull it out. Once you pull it out halfway through, there is a wiring harness here. And so that's easy. Make sure you don't fall it out. You need this kind of 4-sided tool. So this is how the screw is there holding up the bumper. So when pulling it out, just pull it this way. So we are trying to do this now. You can see the entire bumper is coming up, and you can see here there's a wiring harness wire that we will need to remove it. That's the clip there. So we will have to remove it. Let me just halfway through remove the bumper first. So same thing that side. The entire bumper is coming up, and you can see here there's a wiring. As I said before, we need to remove this harness. So you unplug it and it will come out like that.
Perfect.
See, now we remove the screw here, we pull the trim out, we carefully plug the harness out like that, and we just try to slowly pull out all the way. This is how it looks internally. There's the radar sensor, there's the front guard, and same way here, those are old screws, and here you can see the tray where all the pins goes down for the bottom cover. Now reason for our removal of the bumper is we have to change this part because we broke it while drying the snow and the front grill. See, now we remove the screw here, we pull the trim out, we carefully plug the harness out like that, and we just try to slowly pull out all the way. This is how it looks internally. There's the radar sensor, there's the front guard, and same way here, those are old screws, and here you can see the tray where all the pins goes down for the bottom cover. Now reason for our removing these screws, as you can see, these screws here inside and also here, as you can see, then the whole assembly will remove after removing this. After that, we'll go to the front grill removal. This is the automatic air flap part piece that we have got a new part. As you can see, some broken parts from the snow damage. KIA EV6, there are 3 sensors. One radar sensor here, one radar sensor here, 2 automatic air flaps. There's the guard there. This is the front top portion of it. There's a, you can see some 2 more. It's a Hyundai Kia same part. As you can see, this is the complete wiring harness which is connected to the pieces here, and it is also connected to all the sensors for the parking. So our today's task is replace this and replace the front grill which is on the bottom part of it. See, there you go. So the same way we are going to remove this. So this 1, 2, and there are, I guess, few more here. We will remove it and remove the both of the automatic air flap. Then we will remove this front grill which has screws here, and we will replace with the new one. The new grill on the bottom, which is an exterior part, that one comes pre-printed when you order the part. So don't need to worry if you are going to remove these 2 places. Now you can see we removed the both automatic air flaps. Now this is the portion of the front grill. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, I guess 8 screws. 4 that side, 4 this side. Then there is a clip here like that, and you have to pull it down so it can remove. So that grill has had a sensor. Front grill has this sensor, and the automatic air flap on the both side has this sensor connectors. That's for now. As you can see, we have to replace this grill, so we removed the screws here, around 8 screws there. Now we need to remove the energy absorber. It's simple. You can see there are clips here, and you just remove the harness by pulling it this patches. So it's easy. I believe I would be able to just slowly pull it out. This thermocol piece. There you go. That's the piece. And now we are going to replace it with this brand new grill which is pre-painted. It's a pre-painted grill. The same piece like this. We will be replacing it. As you can see, to remove this grill, we have to remove screws from the top, and there are screws inside. So that will loosen up this piece like that, right? So let's carefully find. So, as this is an automatic air flap sensor, and this is for the front grill. So this is the sensor receiver. As you can see, it is clipped like this, it must be next to the airflow, like that. That's how you flip it. You have to connect it. This is important. If do not throw away any old part which you have. Okay guys, now you can see we have finally ended up completing. Now the flaps are moving, everything complete, no error inside. You can go and see. Just show the dash. It's complete there. So I would say this is a successful mission. Nicely, neatly finished, everything right into this place. No scratches, nothing. So few things to keep in mind. It was a bit difficult to remove the old grill. Once you remove it, it's like if you know how to put together the IKEA furniture, it's something like same thing. So this was first time I have ever removed any cast bumper, and this is the latest model. If I'm not wrong, this is the first video ever done for KIA EV6